All right, guys, how are we doing today? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design. And in today's video, I want to kind of tell a quick fun story to how I got into web design, how I got into starting my own business, and where we're at now. So let's get into it. Final Web Design, this is Steve. All right, guys. So today I just want to tell a little personal story. Hopefully, this relates to others of you out there who have an online business or are trying to get into the digital web world, digital marketing, SEO type field. And I just want to go through a little bit of how I personally got into the web development, entrepreneurship field, and just kind of some of the routes that I took that maybe you could take as well to get yourself to a position where you're able to obviously create your own income, start an LLC, have some type of flexibility in your business, your future, your career. So basically, the first thing is as a kid, I just always grew up with computers. I remember getting one of our first like big box computers, Hewlett Packard, I want to say, and then from there we had a couple Acers and lower end computers, but they were really really fun to play with. I remember Windows 95, Windows 98, I want to say, and just really those old operating systems that you could get in and start playing with. I had a lot of computer games. Me and my friends in the neighborhood, we would even like link up back when you had to wire or phone dial computers to play games. We'd be playing what was it, like StarCraft and things like that, and we would have to actually call each other's modems, and if anybody's parents picked up the call during the game, it would actually kill the game and shut down. So yeah, I remember all the way from when all this technology was kind of coming out. Obviously computers had been out before I was born, but as I was in the childhood, that's when they really started transitioning into your daily life. Even things like getting the original Nintendo Entertainment System and just kind of how I could see through video games and stuff, like how programming worked and what people were doing to make the characters, on the screen move. And I kind of always thought like that. I remember even as a kid, I'll go forward from here, but having buying computer pieces individually and putting them and plugging them together so that I could create and build my own supercomputer for different like gaming and playing with computers and software and programs and programming and things like that. So yeah, it really started when I was a kid. It was just always in my passion and what I did. So then going into school, I was going to the University of Minnesota to do business and marketing and things. And obviously the whole world of business and marketing has really evolved into computers, digital, online, graphic design, social medias. I mean, you name it, a lot of this stuff has really gone online. And then during my time at the university, I also worked as a student assistant, helping students with their computer problems, things like Microsoft Word, printers, spreadsheets, anything that a computer in person might have an issue with. So I did a lot of that back when I was a kid. From there, I basically got my marketing degree and went forward into creating some kind of online business and digital online presence from there, and really started to gain my first clients and things like that going forward. From gaining my first clients was when I was down in the South Florida area, and I started to need some type of income or some type of job to continue to pursue my future. So I got into my first online gig, and from there the sky really just went. I started getting more clients, starting getting more business, and things just continued to grow. So that's just a quick spiel I wanted to go on how I was started as a child and kind of move my way up here.